Irish whiskey toffee nut wafer bars are delicious treats, especially when served with Irish coffee on St. Patrick's Day. The rich caramel filling is sugar cooked in butter, cream, and whiskey. Then when cool, the thick whiskey toffee is piped into the center of a rolled nut butter wafer cookie with the ends dipped into milk chocolate and chopped hazelnuts. To make a thick Irish whiskey toffee, cook 100 grams sugar with 50 grams butter until soft cracked caramel stage develops. Then add 50 grams of high-fat cream. Careful as the caramel bubbles up, then mix well to dissolve the caramelized sugar into the sauce, and add 30 grams or an ounce of Irish whiskey. Then strain out any lumps and allow the whiskey toffee to thicken as it cools to room temperature. To make enough nut butter whiskey wafer cookie batter to make a few dozen rolled wafer or bark willow cookies, whisk 2 whole eggs and continue to whisk in 60 grams brown sugar, 60 grams granulated sugar, 60 grams unsalted butter, 5 grams salt, 60 grams peanut butter, 60 grams Irish whiskey, and 85 grams flour until well combined. Transfer to a sealed container and refrigerate until ready to use. Then preheat your waffle cone maker to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a generous tablespoon of batter to the grill and close the lid. Set the timer for 1 minute and 45 seconds. When the batter is cooked to a golden brown color, work quickly to roll the wafer cookie around a metal straw, pressing down on the end to help the cookie hold its shape and allow to cool. A Bismarck-style piping tip that matches the size of the metal straw used is needed to get the thick but spreadable whiskey toffee into the cookie. Next, toast and chop hazelnuts and temper milk chocolate for dipping. Stored in the refrigerator, Irish whiskey nut butter wafer bars will stay fresh for several days or up to a week.